Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to dive into something truly close to my heart. Kerala mural painting is a traditional style of Indian mural art that originated in the state of Kerala. This art form is renowned for its vibrant colors, intricate detailing, and its focus on religious, mythological, and cultural themes. The murals often depict scenes from Hindu mythology, including stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and various Puranas. Gods, goddesses, as well as legendary heroes and sages are common subjects. Traditional Kerala murals are characterized by bright natural pigments such as red, yellow, green, and white. These colors are derived from minerals, plant sources, and other natural materials, giving the murals a distinct and vibrant appearance. Originally, Kerala murals were painted on the walls of temples, palaces, and homes. Over time, they were also found on wooden panels, textiles, and other surfaces. Hanging your own work on the wall provides a sense of validation of your own creation, and it's there for you to admire and appreciate or even share with others. The pride you feel can be deeply validating, knowing that your artistic efforts have paid off in something you can enjoy daily. It's a visual reminder of your journey and growth as an artist, making it all the more rewarding. Creating this painting and seeing it in my home is such a fulfilling experience. It's not just about the finished product, it's about the process, the mistakes, and the moments of triumph along the way. I encourage anyone thinking about learning something new to take that first step. You never know where it might take you. This is a Hoya plant gifted to me by a dear friend. It has just bloomed for the very first time. It's such a special moment, especially since it's the first flower I have seen after the care and attention I have given to it. The flowers are absolutely stunning. The blooms open in the morning, reveal their full glory, and close up again by nightfall. They only last for a few days before they drop. So grateful for this little piece of nature and the memories it brings. Life is a journey, much like the train ride through the picturesque landscapes of Kerala. Just as the train moves forward, winding through lush greenery and serene rivers, life takes us through a series of experiences, some smooth, others challenging, each offering new perspectives and opportunities for growth. As we move forward, it's important to stay connected to the moments that nourish us. As the train advances, so does our inner journey. The destination may be unclear, but the path itself holds meaning. Just as we trust the train to carry us forward, we must trust our thoughts even when they feel scattered or uncertain. They too are part of the journey, necessary steps towards understanding, growth, and discovery. I'm grateful for your time. Stay tuned for the next video.